Okay, so let's start this again. I literally just talked by myself for 5 minutes until I realized that I forgot to press the button that says start live video. So here we go again. I'm standing at 39 Rocky Point Road because we've had a lot of requests from people, especially from people out of state wanting to see the property. So I'm gonna flip the camera. I'm gonna show you guys, if I know how to flip the camera now. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys as much as I can of this property for those of you that obviously are keeping distant and we're not doing showings. I am sitting right now at the entrance of the home. You have a fresh, clear water pond across from this property. You have access to the pond through a path. It's a non-recreational pond, but you can go swimming, you can go kayaking, and you can go fishing. And to this end, this is for the people that are from out of the state. About 3 miles from here, you have the lovely downtown Plymouth. So walk with me. We're at the entrance of the home. A lot of people have been telling me that they drove by and couldn't find the home. That's because it has complete privacy. We are sitting on 1.5 acres of beautifully manicured grounds. I mean, beautifully. The homeowners have taken no expense with the landscaping of this property. You have retaining walls, you have fenced in areas for extra parking spaces, perhaps work trucks, you name it. You have outdoor lighting throughout the property. You have irrigation system throughout the property. So let's take a walk through the outside first, so then I can take my shoes off before I go into the property and show you the inside. Feel free to write in the comments any questions you have as I'm walking through. If you want me to show you something with more detail, this is why I'm here. I am acting as your eyes and your legs right now. So whatever you want to see about this home, just let me know. So this is the front of the property. We do have the septic for the property is in the front of the property right here. And we do have a Title V on the home. I'm going to try and show you guys like all the little nooks and details. But I mean, look at the retaining walls on this property and the farmer's porch. So let me walk you through the back first. This is the 2 garage that has an outside door. Very convenient, obviously, if you want to pull things out for landscaping. So I'm going to walk you now onto the backyard. They just mulched the entire area. Look at how private this backyard is. You have nobody in your backyard. So they have this little grill patio set up here. And then you have the 4-season porch on the back of the house with another patio area and a beautiful koi pond and a sitting area right above. Now I feel like I'm changing my voice as if I'm narrating this property. I'm laughing at myself. And then a nice little deck area right here too. So you have, as you can see, 3 sets of sliders off of the sunroom. And then you have this really nice backyard area. So it's manageable. It's not super large in the back. So it's very manageable. And then you have all of this area right here. This is the property. That's the entrance. That's where we started the tour. And then you have a nice shed area right here, area for your tractors, lawnmowers, so on and so forth. So actually, let me just go to the front of the house now. I'll take my shoes off and I'll walk you guys through the inside. If anybody's putting anything on the comment box, by the way, I cannot see it from my end, but when I finish the tour, I will be sure to answer any questions that anyone may have. Super, super quiet in here. Very, very private. Okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Nice little porch, huh? Area here. Okay. Welcome to this fabulous property. This property was built in 1999 and it was custom built by the current homeowner. And I love the fact that you don't walk into a set of stairs, which seems to be the standard. So the kitchen area is the hub of this home, and the kitchen area and the dining room area were actually renovated in 2006. The kitchen area opens to the sunroom, the four-season porch. This is the dining room area. And then the house divides itself in the master bedroom suite, which I'm gonna show you over here on the first floor. And then in this area, we have the family room area. And upstairs, you have additional 3 bedrooms of living space. So I just wanna make sure that you guys are getting all the information that you have from the kitchen. This has a beautiful large island area in here. Granite countertops, of course, a desk area in the kitchen. You have a double sink with a double window with these beautiful views of the backyard. I mean, how pretty are the grounds of this property? You have all the cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling. You have a stainless steel appliance. And this is all open to the upstairs, really high ceilings with skylight. The property has hardwood floors throughout, except for the kitchen that has tile, the bathrooms that have tile, and rugs in the upstairs bedrooms. So I'm gonna take you to one of my 2 favorite things of this home, is this master suite. And I mean, this is the master suite that everyone dreams of. You have a sitting area that you can just close up for privacy with a gas fireplace. It's a fairly large, quiet area, and then a door that enters into your own master suite with cathedral ceilings, hardwood floors, additional 2 bedrooms. I'm trying to walk through every corner for those of you that might be putting in an offer on the property sight unseen. So I want you to get it all. The master bathroom has radiant floor heating. So nice toasty toes in here. Oh, it feels so good, especially because I took my shoes off. Look at the shower. So nice. You do have skylights and cathedral ceilings also in the master bathroom. And another double-sided window and single window. And then a double vanity and a walk-in closet. So this is your master suite. I hope I'm showing you guys enough details. Let me know if I need to show you anything else. Let me know if you want me to jump in the bed and show you how to use this bedroom. No, I'm kidding. That was a joke. That was a joke. Okay, in the entrance, we have a walk-in closet. And This door over here goes down to the basement, which I'm gonna show you after. We have the laundry on the first floor, which is really nice, with like nice cubbies and a little mudroom area and shelves. And then we have your powder room right here. And I actually really like this door that they put in the Four Seasons room, which I'm gonna show you after, because if you have guests and they're all playing outside, they don't have to go through the main house. They can just use this door to come and use the powder room. So I think that was really, really clever. Okay, here's the family room, which is super big, really nice size. So the staircase is right here. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 windows. You have high ceilings, as well as another fireplace. A nice little nook sitting area to make it into a home office or a separate reading room area right here. But look at how pretty this is. Oh, and look at the details in the windows. Like, you don't see houses built like this that often. Okay, let's go upstairs. So we are on town water. So we have a septic for the home, but the home does have town water. We do have 2 zones for your cooling in the property. As you can see, all hardwood flooring. Look at how pretty from up here to see the kitchen area. And then up here you have another 3 bedrooms with a full bathroom, and they are a good sized bedrooms too. Each one of the bedroom has double closets to each side, and we have also window seats areas. So they are very cute because they're not just your standard, box. They have some character. Look at this one here. This one has a picture window, another one over there, and then 2 closets also, and another window seat area. And then the last bedroom, and then I'll show you the bathroom, is this one here. This one is a little bit smaller than the other ones, but it's still a good size, as you can see. And then we have a double closet. This one has beautiful views of the backyard. As you can tell, I'm kind of obsessed with this backyard. And I don't know if I'm doing a good job at showing you all, but I love it. Okay, and last we have the bathroom for the upstairs bedrooms, which has tile. It has a shower bath. And a vanity. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the lower level. And I know I have some buyers right now from out of state watching this video. If you guys want more specifics, please let me know. Happy to connect with you via FaceTime privately if you want to after this tour. So the basement is how you enter if you were to park in your garage area. So to this side, you have your 2-car garage. They put in here a nice little mudroom area. This is your 2-car garage. That's the door that I show you guys from the outside that goes to the exterior. So no columns in the middle, which is really nice, and it's a good sized garage. And then you come in, and then they finish this area in here as well. It has separate heating source for this area. And then that door over there, and this door over here, basically kind of loops around. And this is what all your utility systems are for the property. But I'll show you guys how big this area is, because in case you're wondering about storage. So it goes around and around. This property is set up with a generator system, Again, we have an irrigation system. We have central air, oil for the house, and that's the other door. So as you can see, lots of storage in this basement. Okay, the property went on the market on Monday. We have an offer deadline on this property of next Monday, the 30th at 5 p.m. It's been proudly offered on the market at $600,000. The property has 2,900 square feet, 1.5 acres of land, and all the goodies that I just showed you. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Don't leave, because I forgot my second favorite thing, which is the four-season room. Oh my gosh. What was I thinking? This is the room I love the most. I know we're all doing social distancing. We're all spending a lot of time in our homes right now. But come on, tell me that this is not the room where you would be sitting. Look at the views. It's all windows, all high ceilings. I know today is not sunny, but picture this room on a nice sunny day. Okay, I just want to say goodbye. You all can message me or let me know if I can provide you for any more information. I'm gonna go live now on my Instagram account because you just don't know where people are gonna be watching this. But happy to help, and good luck to the next proud owner of this beautiful home. This one is a good one, it's a great one.